Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Snapchat story from gallery. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the gallery icon, which is in front of a big white circle. There you'll see the option of camera roll. Tap on it. Select the photo or a video that you want to add to your Snapchat story. On the bottom right, you'll see a send icon. Tap on it. Now select my story. You can also send this story to your friends and then tap on the send icon. This way you can add story from gallery. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.